Hello, welcome back to Charmed Cactus. I will be doing a Ban.do sticker book part 5. So we are starting off with the reds, and you'll see why I love these. I love this sticker book so much. It comes with so many stickers on one page, and they're just so pretty. I have 3 of them. I know, I bought 3. I went a little overboard, but it's really my favorite one that Ban.do has come out with. I mean, they really have outdone themselves. So what I noticed about this sticker book was they took more of an artistic approach instead of what they've done in the past, which is like putting down or having stickers that say, call mom, or dinner date, nail appointment. It's with this one, it's more artsy. It's a lot more pictures, or it hardly has any planning kind of stickers. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I have 3. I think I showed you 3 in the beginning, so I really like it. I mean, look at the colors, and they're just so pretty. They make me happy. I sound crazy, but when you find something that makes you really happy, um, it's great. It really is. So, um, yeah, these are the dark blues. Oh, little puppy. Oh, I also want to mention that I don't know why, but I took the sticker book that I've used 2 stickers out of, and I did catch myself while I was filming this. So, I am going to show you the missing stickers on the other sticker book. So, don't worry, you will see all of them if you're even worried. Okay, so now we are in the purple section. This is my favorite. Been really into lilac lately. Um, yeah, so that is the missing sticker. I am going to show you it right now. I really didn't do any editing on the video. So yeah, all I took out was a puppy that I put on my iPad charger, and it looks really cute. So, I mean, look at all of these. They're so pretty. I almost don't even want to use any of them. Yeah, so we're getting into the pinks now. Is that supposed to be an in and out cup? Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, I forgot I was recording. I'm just stunned by all of these. So I also used 2 from the black section, and I'm going to show you that right now in a moment. There we go. So I used the Everything's Gonna Be Okay sticker at the bottom, and the You and Me and the Dog. I don't remember where I used the second one, but I did. Okay, so now we're getting into the rainbow. section, and it's just so pretty. I think it's only one. Well, it's kind of two if you count this one. And those are shiny. And then we have these holographic flowers with a gold tint. So nice. And that's the end of the sticker book. And it just mentions all of the artists. Yep, that's it. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm a little late, but I'm thinking about posting a plan with me using the Ban.do agenda. So if you have one, if you're a Ban.do addict like me, please watch it. It's probably gonna come out like in 2 weeks or maybe a week. But yeah, if I know you in person, hello. It's been a while. But if you're just a random person watching my video, please subscribe, because I'm actually really happy that my video almost has 1,000 views. Well, it's at 929, and I kind of can't believe it because probably 800 of those were just me. Um, but thank you if you are returning. Thanks. Bye bye.